Precision is at the heart of everything True does, engineered into every component, every system, and every product that carries the True name. It begins in our vertically integrated factories, where meticulous manufacturing processes ensure uncompromising quality and consistency. From the variable speed compressors in our TRM refrigeration units to the scientific-grade systems designed for exacting temperature control, True delivers innovative products. Our griddles have been tested and proven to provide uniform heat distribution from corner to corner, while our advanced evaporator technology produces ice on demand, reliably and efficiently. As we move into the future, True remains committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, offering a diverse range of cutting-edge solutions, all defined by one enduring principle: precision at every degree.